Hi guys, it's your boy Ofentse Ledwaba. Thanks for coming back to my channel again, and also I've seen an increase in the subscribers. Thanks to you guys, this channel, you are the ones that are making me push this channel so that I give out as much as knowledge I get from the market and I'm able to share it with you guys for free. But as you know, if you like to learn directly from me, please click on the link below. Go to forexheroesfx.com and join our exciting course. And also please do not forget to share with your friends and families so that they can subscribe. Guys, I'd like to welcome you into the new year. I trust that you guys had an amazing holiday with your friends and family. This is 2022, guys. It took me a while to make this video because I've just been busy backtesting. I started working on the 5th of January 2022, and then I've just been backtesting, not really trading but backtesting and looking at the mistakes and how I can tweak, because as you know that the market evolves, and as the market evolves each and every year, I have to go back to the strategy and tweak, look at the trial and error and see where we can be able to give you value for it. You understand? And also, if you are part of our group, you'll be getting it for free. And also make sure that you guys are able to understand the concepts of the market, because the market evolves. The same way you look at something happening this time, like the same way you look at different companies evolving, coming with different strategy, we also have to go back into our strategy, be able to tweak, be able to fix, remove whatever it's making us have or increase our losses. So guys, Forex in 2022, guys, I'd like to share this exciting and informative things that I've discovered. You need to understand that in Forex trading, what I've discovered in 2021 is that in Forex trading, many people tend to be impatient, and the impatient in Forex trading makes you not get to the mind and of achieving something. You wanna achieve it so bad that you end up making mistakes, you end up forcing strategies. You need to be aware that not everyone will bloom at the same time. Even flowers in the gardens, they bloom at different times, no matter if you can plant them at the same time. So have patience with yourself, be realistic. Also, don't put in money that you cannot afford to lose. Don't put the money designated for important things. Like, for example, you can't take your rank money and put it into Forex trading. If you lose or blow the account, what's gonna happen? Where you gonna stay? So learn to identify or save up. And also, one important information: don't trade a demo for too long. It makes you get so comfortable that you end up forgetting that there's real money, there's emotions there. When I was trading a demo, I was not emotionally attached. I'll just put a trade, forget about it, come back, it's in profit of $1,000. But I'll get demoralized because it's not my money. But then with a real account, you have to manage your trades. Understand? I'll put a trade in the morning, then come back. I would not go to sleep without checking my trades, because there it's real money. Understand? So I like to share this information with you guys. Be able to understand. Write down your goals, guys. Write down your goals. The minute you have a goal planned and written down, that's when you'll be able to keep up to your goal. But the minute you just have something in your mind and you don't write it down, each and every time the brain refreshes, you think about new things daily, every second. So your goal might be, I wanna have my dream car by the end of the year, or I wanna buy my dream home. Write it down somewhere, so that whenever you look at that journal or that diary of yours, you can be able to remind yourself. Get back in the game. Whenever you feel like giving up, go back, read what you promised yourself. Promise yourself something. Promise yourself a reward. That's when you're gonna achieve massive achievement in Forex trading. Set a goal for yourself. promise yourself that I will reward myself with this when I achieve this. So you need to understand that this year, guys, we not gonna play, we just gonna evolve. I'll be showing you guys how we evolve with the market, and also I've got some exciting news. I know you've been waiting for it. You will be seeing much more analysis of it today, guys. I announced to you that I'll be launching the Forex Heroes Blueprint. In the blueprint, guys, you'll be getting much more information. The blueprint is discovered from me going back into time, tweaking my strategy. As you know that the 2.0 has been successful, and many people managed to make a lot of money, and some of them managed to go into forex trading full time. So with the Forex Blueprint, guys, I'm telling you, you don't want to miss this one. You don't want to miss this one. Click on the link, buy the Forex Blueprint. The blueprint, guys, I'll be showing you how to avoid losses, how to grow small accounts, how to capitalize on winning trades, how to get perfect entries. You'll be getting secret strategies of NASDAQ and US30 as a bonus. Guys, you'll be getting much more valuable information. You'll be getting more weekly sessions from the head mentor, myself, Ofentse Ledwaba. You'll be getting one-on-one consultations from myself, Ofentse Ledwaba. So guys, I've just been getting a lot of DMs, people asking me that when they can join the course. The course is online, guys, and once you join the course, you are added to our support group, and you'll be added to our community, and then you can book your one-on-one sessions once you complete watching the program, which is the online videos. You can go in an online mentorship with me. Guys, this one is gonna be a life-changing experience. I don't want you to miss it. If I was you, I'll be taking the action now. You need to understand that in life, you will only regret the decisions that you didn't make then. Many people, when I started this, they didn't believe in it, but today they do. So I don't want you to be left out, guys. 2022, I'm taking all of you who are joining the Forex Blueprint with me. I'll be holding your hand. I'll be making sure that our simplified strategies are able to make you a profitable and consistent trader, because we do know that with money you can be able to spoil your family, live a lifestyle of your dreams, spend more time with your loved ones, because we wake up and go to work because of money. We lose time because of money. So imagine if you can work from home. Imagine if you can make your monthly salary from home. Guys, don't be a spectator. I've been preaching this, that guys, many people have been saying forex trading is a scam. Guys, don't be a spectator. Give it a try. Choose the link below. You'll be part of our family, and you'll be able to understand my journey as a forex trader, and also you'll be learning from my mistakes. So with that way, I'm limiting you guys losing more money than you could have if you didn't have a mentor. So I'm here as your mentor, Ofentse Ledwaba. Guys, please do not forget to share, like, subscribe. This is 2022, guys. We're coming with energy. We're coming with energy. I have a team behind me that is helping the Forex Heroes, and guys, will be giving you much more valuable information. Please do not forget, guys. Share with your friends and families. You know someone might be needing this information. I'd like to welcome you guys to 2022. I believe in you. You are a winner. You're gonna achieve your goals. We're going big. Thank you for tuning in. It's your boy, Ofentse Ledwaba. Forex Heroes 2022 presents Forex Blueprint. Don't be left out. Peace.